Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional formatting on Excel. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the range of cells you wish to format. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply visual styles, like colors or icons, to cells based on their values. This makes it incredibly easy to spot trends, outliers, or important data points at a glance, transforming raw data into actionable insights with just a few clicks. To apply a basic rule, begin by selecting the cells you want to format. Then, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the Conditional Formatting button. From the drop-down menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules and then select an option like Greater Than. A small window will appear where you can enter a specific value, for example, 100, and pick a predefined color scheme, such as light red fill with dark red text. It's that simple. Beyond basic highlighting, you can use data bars to visually compare values within a range. These bars fill cells proportionally to their value, offering an immediate visual sense of magnitude. Color scales apply a gradient of 2 or 3 colors across your data, showing a spectrum from low to high values. For instance, green for high and red for low. You can also add icon sets, like 3 arrows, to quickly indicate trends or status, making your data even more dynamic. To manage your conditional formatting rules, return to the Conditional Formatting button and select Manage Rules. This opens a dialog box where you can see all the rules applied to your current selection or the entire worksheet. Here, you can easily edit an existing rule by selecting it and clicking Edit Rule, or delete a rule you no longer need. If you want to remove all formatting, simply choose Clear Rules from the main menu, either for selected cells or the entire sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.